to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make matoke in peanut sauce. Stay tuned as I prepare. For the ingredients, I have my matoke that I've peeled. These are groundnuts or peanuts. I roast, remove the outer cover and then grind. I have onions and dania. I'm using spring onions. This is tomato puree, salt, mixed spice, and olive oil. Then I have my water. First of all, I'm going to start by cooking the matoke. My pan is hot. I put little oil. Then I put my onions. Let the onions cook until they're tender for 2 minutes. They should not turn their color. Let them just be tender. You use little oil because the peanuts also have its own oil. So don't put much oil. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add my puree, tomato puree. This is just tomato that I blend. Then you mix. And then I'm going to season with salt. And then I put mixed spice. Just put salt to your taste. You can use any spice that you have. For me, I'm using mixed spice. Mix well, then let it cook for 2 minutes before you add your matoke. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add my matoke. Then you let them cook. I'll add little water for it to cook evenly. Then while the matokes are cooking, I'm going to make my sauce. For the sauce, I have my pan here. I put little water on the pan. The pan is hot. This peanut sauce, you just cook like the way you cook the porridge. I'll take my grinded peanuts like that. Then take little water, add in. Mix well. And then you put in your boiling water. Cook until it's thick. Continue stirring until it's thick. As you can see, my sauce is thick. You just cook like porridge. You'll get a thick consistency like this. While grinding, make sure your peanuts are very fine. I'm going to add little salt to my sauce to make it taste. Then check my matoke if they're ready. I add the sauce inside. You put the sauce in the last minute, or you can eat it aside. My matokes are ready. Now I'll put the sauce. I'm not going to put all of it. Just put little and then the rest I'll use it while eating. Then you stir well. Let it cook for another 2 minutes and then you serve it. I'm going to finish up with dania on top. This is just for garnishing. My matoke is ready. I'm going to serve. Serve while it's still hot. You can eat it as the way it is, or you can add some chapatis or rice, but I like it the way it is. Make sure you have enough sauce. Then I'll finish up with my garnish, dania. Just sprinkle a little dania on top. This is my end product, as you can see, matoke and peanut sauce. If you're new on my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell for you to get notification each and every time I upload my videos. Enjoy as you continue viewing my YouTube channel. Bon appetit! Lovely.